I've been riding on a daydream.
Good morning, YouTube.
Good morning.
We haven't done much of a video here other than showing you the park, which has been fine for the most part. There's nothing special about it. Traffic is really heavy out here. The reason is because there is a crap load of stuff out here. I mean, there's pretty much every store, every restaurant you could really need within
A couple miles.
Yeah.
Probably 3.5 miles, I would say.
5 at the most, because we did go to Walmart and I think it was like 2.8. And anyways, a lot of one-way divided roads, or I should say just divided roads where you have to do U-turns all the time. I mean, we were constantly doing U-turns.
Not used to that.
Yeah. I mean, we've been in Florida for a long time, but
Vero Beach didn't have.
yeah, not a lot of U-turns. Of course, they didn't have that much traffic either. So again, we're at Winter's Quarters in Pasco. Now, there's another Winter's Quarters in Manatee.
Yeah.
I'm not familiar with that one. We've never been there. But as far as this one, the way I can sum it up is a lot of people are living here.
Yeah.
Now, I know it's peak season right now, but there's a lot of people that have permanent looking setups.
Not only that, they have Florida tags
Well, we have Florida tags.
on one.
Yeah. Well, that's true. And you'll see there's a lot of people that get up in the
Well,
morning.
they could keep their vehicle here, I guess. They could live elsewhere. But they do look like they live here.
But just the fact that the RVs that, for example, if there's a fifth wheel that looks like ours here, I'd have to say that the percentage is on the 60 to 70% side. No, let's just say 50%. That it's going to have a big awning over top of it. I mean, like a big $9,000 awning that's over the RV and the lot that they're in. But there's some good, really nice sites here. This site's just fair. It's a standard site. There's nothing special about it, but it's fair. I mean, the concrete's okay. It's all broken up, but at least there's concrete out there. And just the grass and the ants. I mean, it's stuff you deal with in Florida.
This area has a lot of fire ants.
Yeah.
For some reason.
I mean, we're going to go to Zephyrhills, and we expect the same there. Because when we were at Zephyrhills, if you haven't checked out that video, when we first hit the road, we were in Zephyrhills. Where we're going now, it's Forest Lake is the name of the place. And it's funny because I don't think there's a forest or a lake. Well, there is a lake on the other part of the campgrounds. But anyways.
But remember, they were adding on, too.
Yeah. Well, somebody was adding on.
Yeah.
We don't know what they were adding on. But the sites there, same thing. Lots of ants. We ran into ants. I mean.
But they have nice concrete.
Yeah, their concrete's
full. Pretty
decent. It goes all the way to the road. But yet the RV still sits in sand, grass and sand. So we're going to hit the road. I got to get hooked up. We have some storms coming. That's why I'm kind of rushing. I don't know if you can tell. We'll have to see if we can beat these. I think that we can, because they said with these storms there are, I don't even know, 25 mile per hour gust, 15 to 20 mile per hour sustained. So, yeah, we want to beat that. I mean, we're over here where this blue dot is. We've got to go just a very short distance, about 20 miles, to where you see the red dot, or the pin, red pin. So, not very far. So, we'll check out of here and give you the update at the next place. By the time you watch this, we've got all kinds of footage from different times, and we've got reviews that we've had to do. And, yeah, we have to do them. So if you don't like the review, skip it. We've said it all the time. And most of you do, quite honestly, because our views on the reviews, our initial views, are never as high as just the regular update video of what we're doing, where we're going, traveling, showing you stuff like that. So kudos to a lot of you. But yet we still have those people that want to comment and say, I don't understand. Why can't you just do travel videos? Because we're not traveling,
We're living.
We're living, and part of that living is us doing review videos. So anyways, I'm not going to rehash on that anymore. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Then we're off. Overall, our stay here at Winter Quarter, Pasco. Always some kind of noise going on. Was good. Michael just has to navigate himself out of here. I guess I really didn't have to follow him, but Florida has, I swear, one of the longest bike trails. This goes for miles, and it's very well taken care of. We arrived at Forest Lake Village. It's an Encore park. We're just waiting for them to come back to the office.
Did you, last time we were here,
oh yeah, I didn't say anything about that.
They were clearing off all that land over there, and now it's all new houses.
Yeah, I don't know if you can. I'll walk over here real quick. Oh, we'll show you later.
We've got plenty of time.
Yeah, we got 3 weeks.
We got 3 weeks here?
Oh, I think so.
Ooh, look at, since
20.
we're in this park,
Yeah.
I found a Canadian 5 cents. So, the one thing about this park, if you look at all of the, Heidi will turn you around and show you all the, hold on before,
Oh.
since the microphone's on the camera and I'm talking, you'll see that the entire park, it was founded pretty much by Canadians, including the other park that's on the other side, but they named the streets after hockey, and this road we pulled in on is Hockey Drive. So Heidi will show you now the map with all the different names.
Red Wing Drive, Rangers, North Star, Canadians Drive, Hockey, Lightning, Maple Leaf, Bruins, Blackhawk. Yeah, they got a pool, a clubhouse, dog park, shuffleboard. And it looks like they have meet and greet on Saturdays, coffee and donuts, bingo, dance. So that's pretty cool. Well, we finally got all set up. If you can tell, the sites are a little close quarters. But we're here for 3 weeks. Got good electric, good AT&T, and good water pressure. Michael's setting the cameras up right now. But this is we got a picnic table, which is awesome. But this is our site, and the lady at the office told me that in February there will not be one single site open, that she's packed. She said that if you have reservations, she suggests that you don't cancel them with the 1,000 trails. So, go back here and see what Michael's doing.
Okay, so Heidi came around the corner there, and I was busy with the rear camera, and we didn't really get to finish out the site. And I have no idea what she talked about. So she said...
Heidi said the good water pressure, good electric. The sites were a little crampy.
Yes, it's close.
It's packed.
It's close. It's close.
Packed.
And this place is packed.
Nothing like 2020.
Yeah.
Which was this...
go back and watch that video, and you'll see us. I think we went through the park.
I'm sure we did.
But it was a ghost town, because nobody from Canada was down here at any of their houses, and at any of the campers that they may have had down here.
I remember the one that had been over a year since they had been down, and the car cover was rotting off the car.
Right. Which, again, just go back a couple years.
It says 3 years.
Yeah, and watch that video. So our electricity here is very good, but our power connection is all the way over here. So good thing.
Same as our last
yeah,
one.
same like last one. The last one was the same way.
It's because they do 4
yes.
at a time.
The sewer, though, is just one hose. It's real close. The water pressure is very good here. very good here. Oh, and then the interwebs, which I don't think I updated at the last place we were at. The internet was just okay. Yeah, I did talk about it on this video probably. It's just I don't know how this is going to come about because I just been shooting video
Just
and
rambling.
and I haven't posted anything. So I cut it up and I don't remember. I don't know what I'm going to cut and keep. I will have to say something I will keep is the internet again. I'll talk about it one more time. This is the last time we were here, we had to put up our antenna. We had to put up our, when I say our antenna, our WeBoost antenna, that big, tall, 25-foot mast. We don't have to do that here. And
we only have like 1 or 2 bars of 5G for T-Mobile.
Yeah, our T-Mobile's,
but it'll be enough to...
Our T-Mobile's not that good here. It's okay for us to do our phone stuff. Like my brother called, I spoke with him for a while and I didn't have any problem there. But I want to tell you that because of our unlimited internet, we are saved because I have 149 down on the speeds and 80 on the upload speeds. So very, very good. Very happy with that. So what did we do? We arranged for some mail to be shipped here that we have at our mail forwarder. I think we talked about that before. We have a mail forwarder that we've had for last going on 3 years.
Brendan's Isle.
Yeah, St. Brendan's Isle.
Green Cove Springs.
We're got some mail that's going to be coming here. We have some other products that are supposed to be shipped here. And with this internet speed, I'm hoping that I'll be able to get all these videos uploaded. And not only that, but I think we might be able to do a live chat. Now, since we're at this park, there is going to be a time, not next week, right? The next week after that, we'll be going to the Florida Tampa show. We'll be at the Tampa show then. So again, I don't know when this video is coming up, or coming out when you're watching it. We're happy to be here, just because it's 3 weeks. We get to stay here 3 weeks. This is all part of our 1,000 Trails membership. We stay here for free. The last place we were at, we're free there for the 5 days. The thing that we've had a problem with is, with me last year was we stayed in Vero Beach because I had to go to the VA and have all that doctor stuff go on, colonoscopies, endoscopies, ultrasounds, CAT scans, all kinds of weird crap. And now this year, Heidi had to have her heart surgery, and she still has a follow-up appointment that will accommodate regardless of where we're at. But I think we'll be in Orlando then. So the 1,000 Trails membership really comes in handy as long as you have your dates booked out. We've got to look personally ourselves. We're booked until May, I think, but we're going to look to see where we may be after that and if we need to book more reservations. So look forward to that. I think that's it. We're going to close this out. We'll let Heidi do that.
As always, we hope to see you out here. Bye!